guys, the wind is so strong, but I don't know you can hear my voice. But anyway, saying before that today is ideal for observing the birds flying and maybe capturing some nice picture during the flight. Hoping to catch them, yes, of course. So let's go to the trail up to the mountain over there. It's not so long, but the steep is very big. It's all going up. It's all going up, and will be pretty tiring. So see you later. Guys, the wind is super strong. Peregrine falcon is flying wonderful. There is a couple, it's flying. Hey guys, I never thought I would be finding the peregrine falcon here flying with this wind. It's awesome, really awesome. I hope you can hear my voice due to the wind is really strong today. But a seagull, yes, a yellow-legged seagull. It's flying, but it's quite low in the cliff. Now the peregrine falcon is gone. Actually, I don't know where is it. Maybe it's in the cliff somewhere, having a rest because flying with this wind, I think it's dangerous also for them. Mostly when they have to land, yes, somewhere. But of course, when I'm flying in the sky, it's not dangerous. And it was amazing seeing them flying without moving the wings. It's amazing. And they look like a rocket when they go down really fast. Fantastic. Okay, here I'm covered by the vegetation from the wind, and I can't speak better. But what adventure! Yes, unbelievable. and there are a lot of people, tourists, going to the cave at the top of the mountain. But anyway, I'm happy for this morning, this beautiful morning with the peregrine falcon. I don't, maybe, okay, no, I'm sure I didn't take good pictures, but it doesn't matter. But never mind. The most important thing was to stay here and to see them. Yes, flying, amazing. Nothing. I hope you enjoyed watching this new video. I hope you enjoy watching the nature, even with this strong wind. And I hope to see you next time in the next video. So, see you really soon. Bye bye.